lot of new friends. So it was quite interesting, and I had a very good experience at HECTOR School.
I come from Pakistan, so going back and applying my thesis back in my company, it has been an absolutely amazing experience, and it is something that has changed me as well as my company. So it's been a very good master's program. Thank you.
I'm very happy to finish my study in time, and besides my jobs and my family, I will encourage you to start the program at HECTOR School.
So one word about HECTOR School, all I can think of is internationalization.
The master program at HECTOR School is one of my best choice.
One word for HECTOR School is brilliant.
I really had a good time, and I'm definitely going to miss HECTOR School, so thank you.